What's up, YouTube? Quick install video today. I will be changing my lower chain roller on my Raptor. I was trying to ride the other day, but I was getting this real loud noise coming from my chain, and I found out that, that my stock chain roller has gone bad, so I ordered a new one from eBay, and I'm gonna change it out real quick. Basically, the only thing that you will need is a 12mm socket, and it comes with, a bolt and a few washers, and you won't be needing that. So basically, what you gotta do, put one washer on, put the chain roller on, and then you put another washer on, and then you'll just bolt it back up to the location of the stock chain roller. Should be pretty easy. It might not be quick because you don't really have enough space to try to get back there, so it may take a little while to unscrew your stock chain roller. And if you have real big hands, it may take a while. So we're gonna get started. Okay, this is the stock chain roller, and as y'all can see, it's barely any room to work with. So I'm gonna try to get this at least broken loose first so I can unbolt it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to hold the camera and loosen this up at the same time. Like I said, as y'all can see, barely got any room to work with. It is coming out slowly but surely. And be careful not to drop anything when you do finally get the bolt out. Alright, so that's the stock chain roller right there versus the aftermarket one. Yeah, you can see this kind of worn down. The stock one is. Compared to the brand new one. So finna try to get that put on real quick. And just another quick peek at the stock one. As y'all can see, that bearing right there is real loose. It has a lot of wiggle room in there, so there could have been another cause for the loud chain noise that I was getting. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one on for y'all so y'all can see that, and then should be done. And so I went ahead and got the roller halfway on. I wasn't gonna be able to get it on and hold the camera at the same time because, as I said before, you really don't have a lot of room to work with. But it's already halfway in. I just gotta tighten it down. And then you don't have to make it super tight. Just get it to where it's snug because you don't want to screw up anything. That's pretty much it. It's pretty snug and y'all can see it right there. Well, you can barely see it, but that's pretty much it for that install. The only bad thing about it is you really don't have a lot of room to work with, so hope this video helped somebody. Thanks for watching.